Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we read about two greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide and water vapor. We discussed how carbon dioxide is added to the atmosphere and how water vapor is added to the atmosphere. Now, we will discuss about two more greenhouse gases. Number one is methane. How methane is added to the atmosphere. There are several reasons how methane is produced. All of you turn to page number 129 and see the paragraph methane. Methane is added to the atmosphere mostly by coal, petroleum and natural gas industries, and also by animal farming, decay and decomposition of waste and wetlands. We will discuss how these produce methane in the atmosphere. At first, by burning of coal and petroleum, when coal and petroleum they are burned, they release methane along with carbon dioxide. They also release methane. Then from natural gas industries, when natural gas is treated, they also produce methane in the atmosphere. Then by animal farming. Now, what do you understand by animal farming? Animal farming is livestock. That means when we rear cattle for some financial problem. For example, many people rear sheep for their wool. Many people rear cows and buffaloes for their milk. So this comes under the category of animal farming. And these animals, they have bacteria in their stomach, and when this bacteria digest the food and the animals belch out, means जब animals जो है ढकार लेते हैं, then methane is produced. So in this way, methane is produced by animal farming and also by decay and decomposition of waste. When wastes are collected in pits, what happens? They react with oxygen, and in this reaction they release methane gas. After they react to oxygen, then the methane is produced. Then wetlands. Now, what is a wetland? Wetland is an area with shallow water. So you can see here, wetlands also produce methane gas. How wetlands produce methane gas? All of you know, all these wetlands have water all around. So there will be plants in the water, the soil will be there. So these are present in those area which is filled with shallow water. So they are adapted to grow in that type of water, in that type of soil. So in this way, when they are going through different processes, they produce methane gas. And in last few years, methane gas has been increased in the atmosphere, which is leading to the addition of more greenhouse effect in the atmosphere. Means methane also absorbs sun's heat and keeps the earth's surface, warms the earth's surface. So if the methane is also added, then more greenhouse effect will occur in nature. Ozone is another greenhouse gas, and all of you know, when we were discussing the different layers of the atmosphere, you read in stratosphere, ozone gas is present and it acts as a shield. It does not allow the harmful rays of the sun to reach the earth's surface. So ozone is such a helpful gas, but when it is helpful? When it is in stratosphere. Now, how is it a greenhouse gas? It is a greenhouse gas when it is released or it is produced in troposphere where we live. How is it released into the air? It is released from vehicles, means when petrol and diesel they are used in vehicles, they release this gas, ozone gas, in the troposphere. And also when the smoke comes out from the factories, the ozone gas is also present in that and it gets mixed into the air. So in the troposphere layer, in which layer of the atmosphere it is added? It is added to the troposphere. Then also when we burn plant matter, ozone is added to the troposphere layer, and when this ozone is added to the troposphere layer, then it produces, it acts as a greenhouse gas. So for today we have discussed about methane and ozone, how these gases are added in the atmosphere and how they are greenhouse gases. All of you please note down the worksheet that has been sent into the WhatsApp group, and please write everything neatly and go through the video once again. Thank you and have a nice day.